Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to create folder in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to create a folder in Picsart, first open up a Picsart app on your phone, and after opening a Picsart app guys, on this interface you can see you land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And over here at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons available for us. Tap on the folder icon available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here where it says the my files of your Picsart account. Now in order to create a folder over here, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen over here, and when this panel appears you can see here it says the upload and the add folder button. Now in order to add a folder, simply tap on add folder button over here, and you'll be required to enter the name of your folder. So I'll be just typing in demo folder, so rename your folder as well over here, and you can also choose your visibility later on. And with that being said guys, tap on the create button at the top right corner of the screen, and then that folder will be created on your Picsart account over here, you can see. And with that being said guys, this is how to create folder in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.